Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: what two factors are involved in determining the exact pH of a buffer? Third, you will be assigned a pH value to prepare 100 ml of 0.1 m phosphate buffer. And the answer of the question is, let's address each question. Second factor involved in determining the exact pH of a buffer. The exact pH of a buffer solution is determined by two main factors: concentration of the acid and its conjugate base. The pH of a buffer solution depends on the ratio of the concentrations of the weak acid and its conjugate base. This ratio determines the pH according to the Henderson Hasselbalch equation. pH equal to pK plus log A raised to power minus over HA, where pK is the acid dissociation constant of the weak acid. The pK of the weak acid, the pK value indicates the acidity or basicity of the weak acid. It is the pH at which the acid is 50% dissociated into its conjugate base and proton. The pH of the buffer solution will be close to the pKa value of the weak acid component of the buffer. Third, preparation of 0.1 m phosphate buffer. To prepare 100 ml of 0.1 m phosphate buffer, you need to know the assigned pH value and the components of the phosphate buffer system, typically involving dihydrogen phosphate and hydrogen phosphate. Here's general outline how you can proceed. First, determine the pH value assigned. Let's assume the assigned pH is equal to 7.2. Second, identify phosphate species. Phosphate buffer can involve HTPO4 and HPO4. Second, the choice of the specific species depends on the desired pH. For pH 7.2, you typically use a mixture where the concentration are such that their ratio corresponds to the desired pH. Third, calculate the ratio. Use the Henderson Hasselbalch equation to determine the ratio needed for the buffer to have the assigned pH. For prepare the buffer solution, calculate the amount of H2PO4 and HPO4 raised to power 2 minus needed based on their molar concentration, and calculate the ratio. Dissolve the appropriate amount of a solid chemicals in distilled water to prepare 100 ml of buffer solution. Adjust the pH if necessary. After preparing the buffer, measure the pH using pH meter. If the pH is slightly off from the assigned value, adjust it by adding small amounts of acid phase and re-measuring until the desired pH is achieved. By following these steps, you can prepare a phosphate buffer solution of 0.1 m concentration with the assigned pH value effectively. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.